welcome to Kim's Creations. Thank you so much for being here for this 1,000 subscribers and under monthly collaboration. I've been so honored to be invited to join this collaboration. And this month, Fiona of Fiona Art is our guest presenter. And I was lucky enough to take a class from her at PourCon doing the reverse flower dip. So that is our challenge. And as it is the beginning of summer here and we're already hitting the 90s, I wanted cool blue kind of snowflake colors to try and keep me cool. All right, so I have a 10 by 10 inch cradle wood canvas that I have taped off, and I have pre-painted with black because the colors that I am using are going to be pretty semi-transparent. I'm using Amsterdam Prussian blue phthalo, and this is what's going to be for my base. I have it in dark, and then I also lightened it up a little bit. So I have two other hues of that. I have extreme sheen in Sapphire, and I have extreme sheen Aquamarine, and I also have Vallejo pearl medium with a little drop of Amsterdam-Titanium white. So those are the colors. I found my cup. I've used it a couple times before, and I think, well, I got these several years ago from Doris at DF Design, sells them. I don't know if she still does though, but that's what I'm gonna use. So I am going to flood my canvas. Let's get things out of the way. Now I'm going to find the middle of my canvas. Or my substrate. And try and get this cup. Close enough, right? Close enough. Eee! So the first color down the slide should be a catalyst color. And as I have a ton of this aquamarine, let's start with that. Okay. I'm gonna follow it with Sapphire. Then I'll do this lighter Prussian blue phthalo. Vallejo. The dark. So that's round one. Well, that's two. All right, now I'm gonna just blow with a straw. You can see the cells. I just want to get that down, and then I'm gonna turn it and maybe do another layer, maybe two. Okay, I hope that's as centered as it can be. So I'm going to start with the dark blue. Maybe I'll do this one in reverse. Give that a few seconds, let it run down. Grab my torch. Okay. Time to lift this off. All right, let's grab the skewer. Pop that bubble too. Okay. And do that again. That wasn't very... There, that's a little better. Do the finger dip. Okay, and another scary part. Bubble wrap. Okay, so Fiona asked us to not use a napkin, but to use something different to do the reverse flower dip. So, I I have the bubble side down and I have it in half and I'm gonna put it on here. We're in this together. And I'm gonna let it just roll on down. It looked like it went okay. Then I guess I'll just do what I would do if it was a napkin. Tap it down. It looks pretty cool already, I have to say. All right, corner to corner. Gentle lift. Okay, well, this is working like the napkin does. Just harder to bunch up. And now, man, I hope it it's terrible. What the heck? No, 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 no.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy?
All right, now I'm sorry, guys. I tried the bubble wrap. Not impressed.
So I'm gonna do paper towel. Straight off the roll, seam down the middle. I think I'm gonna fold it in half. Is this water? Water. I'm just gonna do a light misting. And let's try this again. I'm halfway on.
I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No.
This is no special paper towel. It's from Costco. Alright. Do a little soft pat. Okay, here we go, guys. Whew. Corner to corner. Keeping it low. Going low and slow. Oh my gosh. Open up the pocket. Bring that in. Open up the pocket. Bring that in. Oh my gosh, if you could see what's over here on my side, maybe you can. I'm internally freaking out. Look at that. Okay. I think it's the gathering part that's the hardest. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's wrong with this.
It's pretty, but... Well, the good news is, as this sat, it developed and became pretty. Yay! Well, here are the dried results. It turned out quite well, actually, once it had an opportunity to develop. So again, thank you so much for being here. I want to also thank Michelle from Royal River Art for passing you all on to me. And up next is Amy McCann from Amy McCann Art. Bye for now.